Psychologists have long wondered just how unique self-consciousness as humans know it is. But now a researcher from a Russian university has shown dogs, and likely many other animals, are more self-aware than you may think. So how do we know if an animal has concepts of self and other if it can't tell us? The perennial method has been a mirror test. A colored dot is put on the forehead of an animal without it noticing. Then the animal is put in front of a mirror, and if its reaction to the dot involves touching itself instead of the reflection, we can assume the animal is self-aware. But this new study's researcher, Roberto Cazzola Gatti, noted dogs are usually pretty uninterested when it comes to mirrors, and they're not the only ones. Gatti said in a press release, only humans and great apes, gorillas excluded, a single Asian elephant, some dolphins, Eurasian magpies, and some ants have passed the test of mirror self-recognition. He didn't believe that other animals that often failed, like dogs, birds, and pandas, did so out of a lack of self-consciousness. He believed they simply weren't as sensitive to visual stimuli as humans. So Gatti released 4 dogs individually into a cage for 5 minutes. Inside the cage were containers with urine samples from each dog, and 1 container filled with cotton to act as a control. The dogs spent significantly more time smelling the other dogs' samples than their own, confirming they have some form of a self-concept. Gatti said some further tweaks are needed to know for sure if dogs have a sense of self, instead of just a sense of what belongs to them. But he called the study a starting point and hopes it'll spur more studies of self-consciousness beyond tests of visual perception. For Newsy, I'm Ryan Beek.